delicious peanut butter chocolate energy cups. Let's get into it. I have a muffin tin here and I'm just going to line it. You do need like cupcake liners, so make sure you don't skip this step. To a big bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of whatever old-fashioned oats you want to do. Half a cup of peanut butter. I just measure with my heart. This peanut butter is only peanuts and salt, and I was pretty thrilled to see that. I know you can find that kind of stuff anywhere, but I was like, oh, I'm gonna get this. 1/4 of a cup of whatever kind of honey you want to do. I like to just add a dash of vanilla. Then a little sprinkle of cinnamon. I put gloves on because I just like to mix this all by hand, but you can mix it by spoon too. But mix it until all the oats are nice and evenly combined. Once everything is combined, you're just going to take a little bit and put them into your cups and just kind of push them down. You can use a spoon to push them down too, that's probably easier. But I just kind of do this. I have them all in here. It makes 18, just so you know. Now for this step, you can either melt peanut butter, but since this natural peanut butter is already like really loose, I don't melt it. So I just go through and like place a little dollop on each one and just kind of like spread it out just like that. But again, if you're using regular peanut butter that's obviously thicker, I would just melt it in the microwave. I'm going to add an entire, this is a 9-ounce bag of chocolate chips. These are dark chocolate, but you can do semi-sweet or even milk too if you prefer. And I'm just going to do a dash of coconut oil so that way it thins out. I'm gonna go melt this in the microwave, stirring it at like 30-second intervals until it's all melted. Now that my chocolate's melted, I'm just going to dump that right on top. Losing my voice if you can't tell, or recovering it from losing it, I should say. So covered with chocolate, I'm just going to put them in my fridge to let them cool for about 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, they've only been sitting for probably 30 minutes, so they're not like even all the way done, but I physically could not wait any longer. This is what they look like. And they're like gooey in the middle from the peanut butter. So good. You gotta try it.